want to start, though, with what's happening right now at our nation's capital. Those in favor of and against that decision did spend the day protesting outside the Supreme Court.
I'm hoping for the best, but it's clear that these justices don't care about the majority of Americans and their voices.
This is going to be like history. This is just the beginning of, the pro-life generation, being there for women, for the unborn.
Waiting for the majority, Justice Samuel Alito said the Constitution does not confer a right to abortion. The court's three liberals wrote they dissented with sorrow for the many millions of American women who have today lost a fundamental constitutional protection. The ruling puts the court at odds with the majority of Americans. CBS News polling found 2/3 wanted the court to leave Roe v. Wade in place, as it has been for nearly half a century. New footage of hundreds of protesters outside our state capitol today. This crowd growing exponentially in just the last hour. Our Rick Saunders out there with them. And Rick, people are pouring in now.
Yes, they are, Karen. This crowd has grown massively since 5 o'clock. I would say about 100 people an hour ago, and now they're easily well over 1,000 with signs such as, "I am untethered and my rage knows no bounds." Everyone here against the Supreme Court decision.
Abortion is healthcare.
It didn't take long for opponents of the decision to gather on the Colorado Capitol steps, declaring it a dark day and predicting a return to the days of illicit abortions. But the Supreme Court ruling was praised by others, including conservative Colorado Congresswoman Lauren Boebert.
A few years from now, we will have little children smiling and running, going into schools and playing on playgrounds who may have not been here.
On the other side, Secretary of State Jenna Griswold wrote, "I am devastated and outraged, an injustice and a tragedy." While Colorado Congressman Ken Buck said the High Court made the right decision, overturning a tragic abortion mandate that has cost over 73 million unborn babies their lives. One of the justices in the majority was Neil Gorsuch of Boulder County, appointed by former President Trump. Democratic U.S. Senator Michael Bennet condemned the ruling.
I said that it was radical. This is the most radical, I think, Supreme Court decision of my lifetime. And when I was in law school, it would have been unimaginable that there would have been a majority on the Supreme Court of the United States that would have had such a narrow reading of the United States Constitution.
While many called the overturning of Roe v. Wade a gut punch, others hailed it.
This demonstration is getting quite large. In fact, the protesters have now taken over Lincoln Street, and the State Patrol has blocked it off from 13th to Colfax and perhaps beyond as it continues to grow inside.